In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a remittance slip in QuickBooks. If you need to let a vendor know that a bill payment has been made, sending a remittance slip is a simple and professional way to do it. It helps confirm what was paid and gives the vendor a clear record they can reference on their side. In QuickBooks, this process is straightforward once you know where to look. To get started, open QuickBooks and go to the menu on the left-hand side. From there, select Expenses and then choose Vendors. This will take you to your vendor list where you can view the companies or contacts you've already set up in your account. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct vendor, especially if you work with several similar names. Once you've found the right vendor, click on their name. That opens the vendor profile where you'll be able to see their transaction history. In this list, look for the specific bill payment transaction connected to the payment you want to send the remittance for. If there are multiple transactions listed, it may help to check the date or payment amount so you choose the correct one. After you locate the bill payment, you have two options. You can click directly on the transaction to open it and review the payment details. Or, if QuickBooks shows the option, you can click Send Remittance from the Action column. Either path leads you to the same goal, so use whichever is faster and more convenient for your workflow. Before sending anything, verify the vendor's email address carefully. This is an important step because the remittance advice should go to the correct recipient, ideally the person or department that handles accounts receivable. If needed, you can also customize the message that will be included with the remittance. Keep the message clear and professional, especially if you're using it to reference a recent payment or provide a short note for the vendor. Once everything looks correct, click Send. QuickBooks will then email the remittance slip to the vendor, giving them confirmation of the payment details. That's all it takes to create and send a remittance slip in QuickBooks. It's a quick process, but taking a few extra seconds to confirm the payment and email information can help avoid confusion and keep your vendor communication accurate and organized.